In statistics, a residual is the difference between the actual observed value and the value that a model predicted. It's a measure of error, telling us just how wrong our prediction was. The basic formula is simply the observed value minus the predicted value. Imagine a simple process. We start with some input data, we feed it into a predictive model, and that model makes a prediction. Residuals are born at the very last step, where we compare that prediction to the real-world outcome. They are the crucial link that helps us evaluate the model itself. The observed value, which we represent with the letter Y, is the real-world factual data point. It's not a guess or an estimate, it's a known value that has been recorded from observation. You can think of it as the ground truth. The predicted value is the output of our model. Based on the input data, the model gives us its best guess of what the value should be. We denote this with the symbol y circumflex, which is pronounced y-yhat. This is the model's estimate, not the real value. The formula for a residual is the observed value, y, minus the predicted value, y-yhat. On a graph, this is easy to see. The residual is simply the vertical distance between the actual data point and the prediction line created by our model. A positive residual happens when the observed value is greater than the predicted value. This means your model's prediction was too low. The actual data point lies above the prediction line, indicating the model underestimated the outcome. Conversely, a negative residual happens when the observed value is less than the predicted value. This means your model's prediction was too high. The actual data point falls below the prediction line, so the model overestimated the outcome. In a perfect scenario, the residual is 0. This occurs when the predicted value is exactly the same as the observed value. For that specific data point, the model was 100% accurate. The data point lies directly on the prediction line. Residuals are incredibly important for two main reasons. First, they help us measure the accuracy of our model. Smaller residuals mean our predictions are closer to reality. Second, they help us diagnose problems. If we see a distinct pattern in the residuals, it tells us our model might not be the right one for the job. To diagnose our model, we use a residual plot. We plot the predicted values against the residuals. What we want to see is a random, shapeless cloud of points. This indicates that the errors are random, which is good. If we see a clear pattern, like a U-shape, it signals that our model has a systematic problem and isn't capturing the complete relationship in the data. So, to sum up, a residual is simply the error in a prediction, calculated as the actual value minus the predicted value. Residuals show you exactly how far off your model's guesses are. And finally, analyzing residuals is a fundamental step in understanding how well your model is truly performing, and if it's the right choice for your data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.